How to fill letters with photos in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. First, upload the images you want to use to Cricut Design Space. To do this, click Upload, then Upload Image. Step 2. Click Browse, select the image, then click Open. Step 3. Select the image type, click Continue again, then select Save as a print, then cut image and click Save. Step 4. Repeat the same steps to upload all the images you want to use. Step 5. Once you have uploaded all the images you want to use, select all and click Insert Images and they'll load on the canvas. Step 6. Minimize the screen, resize the images, then zoom into the screen and reposition the images. Step 7. Click on Text, type in the word, click on the Font drop-down menu, then search and select the font you want to use. Step 8. Resize the text, then click on Ungroup and reposition the letters. Step 9. Position the first letter in the middle, choose an image, then hide the rest of the letters and the images by clicking on the eye icon in the Layers panel. Step 10. Resize the image, place the letter on top of the image, then resize and position the image as required. Step 11. Once you're happy with the position of the image inside the letter, select everything and click Slice. Step 12. Drag the sliced results apart and delete the slice result you do not need. Step 13. Once that's done, click on the eye icon in the Layers panel to hide it. Step 14. Now unhide the second letter and the image from the Layers panel. Step 15. Resize the photo and drag the letter on top of it, then adjust and position the photo. Step 16. Select all and click Slice, then delete the sliced results you do not need. Step 17. Unhide the first letter and check how the design is coming together, then hide both the letters from the Layers panel. Step 18. Unhide the third image and the letter, then repeat the same steps to complete the design. Step 19. Once done, unhide all the layers from the Layers panel, arrange them, select all, click Align, then select Align Bottom. Step 20. Click Align again and select Distribute Horizontally, then click on Group in the Layers panel. Step 21. If you want to print, then cut the design on a printable vinyl. The design is ready to use. Step 22. If you want to print and frame the design, go to Shapes and select a square to create a background. Step 23. Resize the square according to your project, then resize the design and position it on the background. Step 24. With the design selected, click on Arrange and select Send to Front. Step 25. Select everything, click Align, select Center horizontally, click Align again, then select Center. Step 26. Select the background layer, click the Color Swatch button and change the color. Step 27. Next, select everything again and click Flatten and your design is ready to print. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.